This is the unboxing of the ECOFLOW River portable power station, 288 watt hour power station. Keep in mind this is only an unboxing. I'll do a review later. Okay, unbox. Well, let's look at the box first. ECOFLOW, that's cool. Some cool lines on it. Fragile up, keep dry, max 10. Oh, probably like weight on top of it. Dangerous batteries. Okay, it's got lithium ion batteries. Just shipped from New Jersey. Gross weight is 7 kilograms. What is that in pounds? I don't know. It doesn't feel that bad to me. Okay, nothing interesting there. Unbox. Ooh la la. ECOFLOW. That's pretty extreme. 0 to 80% in 1 hour. Okay, nothing really interesting there. Made in China. No surprises there. Scissors. Come to my aid. Free handle there. Some nice looking foam. Jeez, this is fancy. Good. Paid off a good packaging person here. Quick start guide. Let's set up this River 600 series. Okay, this is a River 600 series ECOFLOW. For the very first time, press to turn on or off. You can turn a light on and off. You can turn DC on and off. Press to turn AC power on and off. X boost must be turned off on ECOFLOW app. Extreme AC charge, 10 amp max. 10 to 25 volt, 12 amp max for the solar charger or the car charger. Please fully charge before use. I can do that. Okay, more instructions. Okay, car charging. What is this? I have no idea. But this is some other type of connector that plugs into it. I guess some other way to charge. Okay, and this looks like the wall charger. Grounded cord there. I do not know what this is for yet. But good. This is snack for later. Oh, do not eat. Man, got my hopes up. Some dope foam here. Okay. Very dense. It's heavy, but I guess it's so compact it just doesn't. It's easy to carry. It doesn't seem awkward at all. And checking this one. Okay. Some more foam in there. Empty box. So that is completely unboxed. Turn the light on. It looks like it does not come pre-charged. Charge this thing. Oh, no it does. 29%. Now can I turn the light on? It's probably angry at me. It's like, you gotta charge me. Cigarette lighter. There we go. USB-A, fast charging USB, USB-C, 100 up to 100 watts there. That's good. Plug ports to turn, you gotta turn on AC. I see, so each of these ports you have to turn on individually. That's probably for efficiency's sake. You can see a fan there to cool off, I guess, the battery or the alternator. Alright. It looks like it. So consider this thing unboxed and I'll do a review later. Have fun with this thing.